NYC Automotive brings you an in-depth look at the 2025 Isuzu D-Max V-Cross, a rugged and capable pickup truck designed for adventure and tough terrains. Known for its durability and off-road prowess, the latest D-Max V-Cross comes with several upgrades in performance, design, and technology, making it a strong contender in the pickup segment. Whether tackling rough landscapes or cruising on highways, this model promises an impressive driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max V-Cross is powered by a 1.9-liter diesel engine that produces 150 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, offering a balance of power and efficiency. For those who need extra muscle, there is also a 3.0-liter diesel variant delivering 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Both engines come with a choice of a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery. The advanced 4-wheel drive system enhances off-road capability, with shift-on-the-fly functionality allowing drivers to switch between 2WD and 4WD modes effortlessly. The addition of a rear differential lock provides extra traction on challenging terrains, making this pickup a true off-road performer. The exterior design of the D-Max V-Cross has been refined to look more aggressive and modern. A bold front grille, sharp LED projector headlights, and muscular wheel arches give it a commanding presence on the road. The high ground clearance and rugged body cladding reinforce its adventure-ready nature. Stylish alloy wheels and redesigned LED taillights add a touch of sophistication. The tough yet aerodynamic structure ensures better stability and efficiency. Inside, the D-Max V-Cross offers a comfortable and tech-loaded cabin. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone connectivity. The driver's seat is power adjustable, ensuring maximum comfort on long journeys. The interior materials have been upgraded with soft touch surfaces and leather upholstery for a more premium feel. Rear seat passengers enjoy improved legroom, making the ride comfortable for all occupants. Climate control, multiple USB ports, and a premium audio system further enhance convenience. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Isuzu D-Max V-Cross. Equipped with advanced driver assistance features, it includes lane departure warning, forward collision alert, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. The high-strength steel chassis ensures superior crash protection, while multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and traction control provide added safety. With its strong diesel engine options, off-road capabilities, and premium features, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max V-Cross is designed for those who seek both adventure and practicality. Whether for work or leisure, it delivers reliability and performance in every situation. The latest updates make it an even more compelling choice in the pickup truck market.